Today you'll take the vocabulary test for chapters 5 through 8 in literature. Be sure to put your name, the date, and the class period at the top of the page. This test is divided into 5 sections. So I will read the first group of words. The first A is mimicking, F, gorged, K, pansy, P, severe, U, testify, and Z, fiend. Use those words to match with these definitions. First is a weak and cowardly man. The second means to imitate someone's speech, their mannerisms, or their gestures. Next means to bear witness or to witness, to affirm as true. The next means to stuff with food. Next is someone who is addicted to a practice or a habit. And the last one is a word that means harsh. I know it's hard to see the line on that one. The next set of words goes with the second group of definitions. B, hysterics. G, wistfully. L, delinquents. Q, indignant. V, inhalation. And AA, mourning. One of those words means breathing in. The next word means something that's considered unjust. The next word is a feeling of sorrow or grief. The next word means longing or yearning. The next word means guilty of violations against the law. And the next is uncontrollable weeping. Here's your third set of words. Suspicious. C, suspicious. H, irritated. M, imploringly. R, manslaughter. W, hesitation. And double B, BB, the word is unconscious. Those match with section 3. The first definition in section 3 is without awareness. Next is to beg urgently. Next means suspecting or feeling that something is wrong with little proof. Next is a delay due to indecision. Next is the unlawful killing of a human being. And next is to be angered, provoked, or annoyed. The fourth set of words are D, apparently, I, conviction, N, faltered, S, divert, and X, siege. And here's the definitions for the fourth group. To change the direction of, or to distract the attention of. Next is proof of guilt, or being charged with something. Next is to hesitate or stammer. Next is clearly, plainly, obviously. And next is process of surrounding and attacking an enemy in order to isolate them or capture them. The last group of words, the fifth group: E, reluctantly; J, plasma; O, public appeal; T, numbly; and Y, shattered. The definitions for Section 5. The first is a liquid part of the blood. Next is a feeling of hesitation or unwillingness. Next word means broken, or to destroy something completely. The next word means support, or liking or approval from the public. And last is without feeling or sensation.